Right now, I think I have two options. Option number one is to let COVID-19 determine everything in my life. Option number two is to regain control of my energy and in turn regain control of my timeline. I'm not gonna lie, a part of me likes option one. That means I can watch as much informational content on COVID-19 as I want, and it also means that I can continue to monitor statistics that make me feel more informed and more in control of the situation. But what am I manifesting if I do this? How do I feel when I think about COVID-19? How do I feel when I attempt to predict the future and when I attempt to predict how COVID-19 will change my reality? I feel a lot of things. So many things, but most of all I feel uncertain. Based on what I know about the law of attraction, if I feel uncertain, then I will most likely attract more thoughts that align with me feeling uncertain. Eventually, I will begin to see the reflection of these thoughts manifest into my reality as I find myself experiencing situations that reaffirm my belief that there is an abundance of uncertainty in my life. So that sounds like absolutely no fun. What's my alternative? Oh yeah, regaining control of my timeline. There has been an intense reality shift, and I seem to have lost control of my energy. I feel less like myself and more like someone else. But I imagine that's to be expected when you're suddenly living the prequel to the Hunger Games. But the Hunger Games is fiction and this is real life. Regaining control of my timeline is choosing to believe that real life is never cut and dry. Regaining control of my timeline is also choosing to believe that it's going to be good at the end. And if it's not good, it's not the end. I have faith. I have faith because I choose to have faith. I feel like the universe just slapped me. I feel like she just slapped me and then threw a glass of ice cold water in my face and screamed, "Get a hold of yourself." Reality has shifted and I find myself trying to hold on to the vibration that I had before I knew what coronavirus was. I'm choosing to believe that all of the self-work, all of that growth is the exact reason I am where I am while this is happening. I am choosing to stick to my guns and realign myself with the person I was dedicated to becoming. Because even though that person doesn't seem relevant to the reality that I am experiencing, I don't believe that all of that self-work was for nothing. It's time to get back to basics. It's time to get back to my foundation. What are my foundational beliefs? At the beginning of 2020, I wrote down all of the beliefs that I would live by in the future. These are beliefs that I choose to implement into my life because they make me feel closest to source. The beliefs are as follows. Life is simple. Everything goes right for me. The universe is always inside of me. I must enjoy the present moment, for that is all there is. Joy is only a thought away. I am the epitome of human health. People love me. My past is bright, lovely, and full of beautiful memories. Love is all that matters. It always wins. Life is easy when you look at everything with a loving perspective. I am on my side. At the beginning of the year, I was in a place where I was so optimistic about myself, my life, my career, everything. And though I can't quite say that that feeling is completely gone, again, it just doesn't feel relevant. What I am realizing is that it is my responsibility to always make these beliefs relevant, because these are the beliefs I choose to live my life by. These beliefs raise my vibration to the highest. They help me feel closest to my true self. And these beliefs are a reflection of the reality that I am ultimately learning how to shift into. What I've countlessly been taught, and what I always teach, is that the external does not determine the internal journey. So if that is something I preach, would that not make me a hypocrite to abandon my beliefs simply because such a drastic reality shift has occurred? A reality shift has occurred, yes, but if I've already done all the work to establish what I want for myself, does that have to change? I don't think so, because I am the one in control. So what do I do when I know how I want to feel, but how I want to feel seems so distant from how I feel right now. Scripting. Scripting is and will always be my favorite way to cultivate energy within myself, no matter what the circumstances. If you do not know what scripting is, let me just say that there are 1,000,001 different definitions. But to me, scripting is a writing exercise that allows a person to embody the energy that they would like to bring into their life. Because by embodying that energy, you are attracting more of that energy into your life experience. Hence why scripting is so popular in the law of attraction community. When I think of the beliefs that I mentioned earlier, they do inspire specific emotions within me. I know that those are emotions that I want to experience. So that helps me understand what I'd like to script about. A lot of times you can script about a specific scenario related to whatever you're trying to manifest, but that's only one side of scripting. The reason that scripting is so powerful is because it gives you the opportunity to raise your vibration so that you are vibrating at the frequency that allows you to effortlessly pull in other high vibrational experiences. So you don't have to necessarily script about a scenario. You can simply script about how you want to feel. When I read that one of my beliefs is, joy is only a thought away, that helps me understand that I want to feel full of joy. When I see the belief that says, I am the epitome of human health, that lets me know that I want to feel healthy, energetic, and vibrant, despite the circumstances of my friends. Scripting gives me the opportunity to cultivate emotions that would otherwise be very difficult to stir up given the circumstances. Because you are writing, the brain is distracted long enough to stop your subconscious beliefs from interfering with the emotions that you're trying to curate. If you choose to write, I feel so financially secure. I feel so financially provided for. You are able to hold on to the vibration that you are creating long enough for your brain to start thinking of other thoughts that align with the energy you are trying to create. So I want to read you a little bit of what I wrote in order to better articulate what I mean when I say you can write about how you feel. But before I do that, I have to tell you a couple of things about the Brown and Bindi brand because I am my own sponsor. First and foremost, I am on Facebook. So find me at facebook.com/user/brownandbindi. I don't know if that's actually the link. I'll put it on the screen. Second of all, if you want to get your vibration super high and you want to do it on your own time, visit www.brownandbindi.com/affirmations. Find the affirmations that make you feel closest to source and just keep doing those affirmations over and over. Last but not least, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do, and please make sure that you ring the notification bell so that you are notified when I have another video that comes out. Is that all I have to tell you for today? I think so. Okay, let's get back to the video. My vibration is so high. I feel so aligned with source energy. As I write this, I feel everlasting love and peaceful energy filling me from the top of my head to my shoulders, all the way down to my waist, knees, and to the soles of my feet. I am loved completely. I love completely. With my entire self, I offer well-being to the world, offering patience, understanding, and love that does not judge. I smile, feeling that unconditional love flowing back to me completely. I am surrounded by unlimited love. Love is so easily cultivated and given. I expect love in all of my interactions. Love rains down from the sky, filling my home and my virtual spaces with exciting, fun, and loving energy. Happiness is only a thought away. Joy is only a thought away. So friends, all in all, this video was to say loud and clear, it's time for us to stop being distracted. It's time for us to start getting back to ourselves. We are focusing on something that is so external, so separate from who we are, that by putting all of our focus into something separate from us, our energy is draining itself. Okay? So we have to go back inward. We have to turn back inward, and we have to begin to refill our own cups. Nurture your path. If you don't feel like you're in the right mindset to manifest something huge, I get it, okay? I completely get it. But it is still our own responsibility to make sure that we're at least manifesting happiness, that we're at least manifesting being content, so that we are enjoying our life experience. It's time to focus on ourselves once again. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you next time. All right. Have a great day, guys. Catch up with me on all my social media handles. If you want to talk, tell me how you liked the video. I love you so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.